Hello students, welcome back. Now we'll be starting off with a discussion about the last class, that is the class Mammalia of the superclass Tetrapoda. The last class in the superclass Tetrapoda is the class Mammalia, which have the animals having the mammary glands. The mammals were evolved in the Triassic period of the Mesozoic era, and the Cenozoic era is known as the golden era of the mammals. The body is divided into head, neck, trunk and tail. The body is covered by a coat of hair that is made up of protein keratin, and this coat of hair is known as pelage. The skin of the mammals is thick, waterproof and it is glandular. Sweat glands, oil glands or the sebaceous glands and mammary glands are present. The mammary glands that are modified sweat glands are present in the female for baby feeding. This class was so named. Two pairs of limbs are present and limbs are pentatactile, which help in swimming, walking or running. The hind limbs are absent only in the Cetaceae and Sirenia. Cloaca is absent except in the members of the Protochordata. Teeth are thecodont, heterodont and diphyodont. In the thecodont, the teeth are embedded in the socket in the jaw bones. In the heterodont teeth, the mammals possess more than a single tooth morphology. For example, in humans there are 4 types of teeth: incisors, canines, molars and premolars. The diphyodont teeth are those in mammals two successive stages of teeth occur. The first one is the deciduous, that are the milk teeth, and the second is the permanent set of teeth. Respiration is done by only one pair of the lungs. The heart is 4-chambered. The circulation is double. No sinus venosus is present and only a left aortic arch, that is the systemic arch, is present. The RBCs are small, circular and they are non-nucleated except in the Camelidae family, that includes the llama and camel. The RBCs are nucleated. The endoskeleton is bony and the skull is dicondylic. The vertebrae are acoelous or amphiplatyan. The acoelous or the amphiplatyan condition includes the vertebrae in which both the anterior and the posterior ends are flat. The neck is having 7 cervical vertebrae except in Bradypus and sloth, which has 9 or 10 cervical vertebrae, and in sea cow or mantis they have 6 cervical vertebrae. One pair of metanephric kidneys is situated in the abdominal cavity, and these animals are ureotelic, means the excretory matter is urea. A special structure is present for the connection of both cerebral hemisphere of the brain, and this special structure is known as the corpus callosum. Optic lobes are 4 in number and they are solid, and all 4 optic lobes are collectively known as corpora quadrigemina. Cranial nerves are 12 pairs. So this structure shows the corpora quadrigemina, which are 4 in number: 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 superior colliculi and 2 inferior colliculi. Now this red area shows the corpus callosum. So here you can see that the corpus callosum is connecting both the cerebral hemisphere of the brain. Cochlea of the internal ear it is spirally coiled, as you can see here. The cochlea is coiled. The mammals are unisexual, sexes are separate. The testes of the males are situated outside the body in the scrotal sacs, and ovaries are found in the females. So testes and ovaries are the reproductive organs in the mammals. The fertilization is internal and it takes place in the fallopian tubes of the ovary. The embryonic membranes are amnion, chorion, allantois and yolk sac found in the embryo. The eggs are alecithal or microlecithal, means a very small amount of yolk is present, and homolecithal means equal amount of yolk is present throughout the egg. But the eggs of the prototherians are megalecithal, means large amount of yolk is present. The embryo is attached through the uterus of the mother by placenta. So these animals are placental mammals. Most mammals are viviparous, but the prototherians are oviparous and metatherians are ovoviviparous.
If you have any other doubts, you can post them for free on askiitians.com. On the Ask IITian page, you will find the option of discussion board. So on the page of discussion board, you can post your questions under the Ask Experts by selecting various categories in this white box. And by clicking on the Get Answer, you can get the answers of your questions within the next 24 to 48 hours.
So students, this was about animal kingdom, in which in the beginning we started with all the characters on the basis of which the animal kingdom has been classified. Then we moved on to all the high level groupings of the animal kingdom, that are the phylums. And we started with the first phylum, that is the phylum Porifera. Then we moved on to the phylum Coelenterata, Ctenophora, Platyhelminthes, Aschelminthes, Annelida, and then the phylum Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata and Chordata. And in Chordata, we also covered the 4 important classes that include the class Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves and Mammalia. I hope that you liked listening to my video on Animal Kingdom. You can also log on to our website askiitians.com for other websites on physics, chemistry, maths and biology. Sayonara.